Take everything as if it is nature. Even things that we think are insane or unnatural, like obsessive thinking or violent thoughts, or extreme hatred, or self-created suffering, or discomfort, or even pain. Anything unpleasant, take everything as if it is nature, as well as all of the more pleasant things, like happiness and joy, pleasure itself. Just take the whole thing as if it is all nature, even if it's as if it is nature's will. So it's nature unfolding in the same way that the wind blows or a tree grows. And then nothing's a problem anymore. Even things that we think are unspiritual, like it's some kind of reaction or intense fear or aggression, is all nature. If you let nature be nature, then anything that is inherently dysfunctional and harmful doesn't stick, because there's no longer like a central character that is trying to fix everything or resisting certain things and going for other things. Take everything as if it is nature. And it takes the effort and strain out of things, particularly things like meditation. You feel you're not doing life so much. Every thought, every action, even ideas and plans if they arise, just take it all as nature, and then it becomes more clear what is just maybe, you don't have to call it anything, but what doesn't have so much power, like conditioned thoughts or habits that aren't that useful. And you're also more aware of what does have power, what's more inspired or what's useful. Or you might just find yourself moving without even thinking about it. We tend to think of human beings as being quite unnatural, and in a way that's true. But it's not possible that we can be separate from nature. Nature is everything. Nature isn't just like the trees and the birds and the sun. Nature is everything. You are nature. And everything that comes out of it, including the denser things like depression or anger, it's all part of nature. You can even see certain animals experience emotion, particularly animals we keep as pets. Or wild animals, you can see them having strong protective urges for their family. But the difference tends to be that it doesn't live inside them. They don't want to keep anything, they don't want to keep their emotions, or their feelings, or their responses. And so things can evaporate easier. It's just like a flux. And the difference with humans is that we strongly believe we are separate characters, like identities, people with names, and kind of a psychological shape even. But even that itself is nature. It's all arising out of nature. The formlessness of nature gives rise to its forms, but isn't separate from its forms either. It flows through everything. I'm using the word nature, but you could also say life or intelligence or consciousness or God even, if that resonates with you. When you embrace pain, even like it's just part of nature, then it takes the suffering out of it, and it might even dissolve the pain. Not always. Because pain isn't necessarily a bad thing. If it's physical pain, it can just be the body saying there's something not right here, you need to just check something out. I don't mean necessarily go to the doctor, but it's more of a warning, saying, I don't like what you're eating, or I don't like the way you're treating your body. I don't know. Pain isn't always bad. We only think of it as bad. Bye bye.